Morris, TotalBuild.com, engineer that's building a $15 million business, because I also have girlfriends who have cars and stuff. This is my couple of tips I have for you women I want to talk to you about. Number one, make sure you service your car properly. Do not go, I hear a lot of cars, sometimes you think the brakes will last forever, or you hear these different sounds. I would go get them checked out. I know I had a 325 Beamer. I see a lot of you guys with the Audis, the Mercedes, 4Runners, and Land Rovers, especially these foreign cars. When you hear any type of weird sound or your indicator lights go in, unfortunately, you got to go check it out. Subscribe. Number two, I recommend, do not take your car, whatever model it is, unfortunately, to the dealers, the small mechanics. The problem is they make money by shopping around, calling around, getting a cheaper part. And that means you're not going to have your car longer until they get the part specifically. And it's just, it's just a waste of time for you. In the end, you're better off just taking it to the dealer, having them be responsible for it. If you have to, get a rental car. If you have to, get a loaned car. And number three, make sure you put quality gas in your car, man. If you got a Land Rover, if you got a Beamer or something, do not take your car to an AM/PM. Unfortunately, don't take it to the ghetto station either, man, because all you're doing is messing up your fuel pump. And I'll give you a story on how I spent $7,995 for a gallon of gas. So those three tips I want you women to think about today. Whenever your car needs to be serviced, follow that service appointment. Number two, make sure you take it to the dealer. Do not take it to these secondhand dealers, man. Especially in these high inflation times, you're asking for trouble. Number three, put quality gas in the car. MarkMorris, and I'll come with some more tips later to help you keep your car lasting longer, especially for women.